Hey, are you looking to buy Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G? Then you should watch this video completely, otherwise you will hate the phone after buying it. This video is about 3 problems of Redmi Note 12 Pro which are shared by people who had purchased the phone. Redmi Note 12 Pro review shows that the phone is very much overpriced. The 120Hz OLED display is the only good thing that I could choose after Redmi Note 12 Pro unboxing. The gaming performance will be bad as the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 with UFS 2.2 speed internal storage is not good for gaming. So when you are planning to play games like PUBG, BGMI, Apex Legends, Genshin Impact etc., don't expect much from this phone. Redmi Note 12 Pro camera test shows how the 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and the 2 megapixel macro camera are okayish, but the quality is very less when compared to the price that we are having to pay for Redmi Note 12 Pro in Amazon and Flipkart. Now I'll come right to the problems people who purchase Redmi Note 12 Pro are facing, and they are sharing these videos so that people will understand whether they have to buy this phone and see whether these problems are because of hardware or because of software issues. The first video is about a ghost touch issue on Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. The touch screen works as it likes, and the touch response, as you can see in the video, is very bad. So when you are touching at one point, another point is registering the touch screen, and when you are trying to open the app drawer, it's automatically closing. So this can be a software issue, but I am not sure, as this can be also a problem of a faulty touch digitizer that's used as hardware. The second problem is Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G display issue. The phone shows a green line filled with the screen, and this does not respond to touches. It seems like the display is having some bug, but I'm not sure whether it's a software or hardware issue. So in case this happens to your phone, what you can do is press the volume down button and power button to make the phone force restart. And if the phone is still having this when you restart the phone, then it is definitely a hardware problem, and that means you'll have to go to the service center and claim for a replacement. The third issue on the phone is a touch problem. The phone is unresponsive to touch, and most often when you are trying to touch the screen for something, it does not respond. So in this case, as you can see in the video, the button, the power button, restart button, nothing is working when you are trying to touch the screen, and this is definitely a software problem, I believe, and it can be because of the bug-filled MIUI that is used. So maybe a software update in future can fix this, but I'm not sure. So finally, when comparing the price of Redmi Note 12 Pro and these bugs and problems that are happening on such an expensive phone, and as the hardware that is coming with the phone, like the CPU and all the other features like the camera, are not as per the price, I believe it's better to go for some other phone, because Redmi Note 12 Pro is really overpriced at this price range. Maybe if you are buying a Realme 10 Pro Plus, then you can at least have a good display phone in your hand, because the display on that phone is definitely better than what we are having on Redmi Note 12 Pro. If you have any doubts or want to ask anything, please mention it in the comment section and I'll help you out as I can. If you felt this video was helpful to some extent, please consider subscribing and liking this video so that it will be reaching maximum people.